Hello folks, in this video I am going to talk about what kind of influence will technology have on our future. So let's start with first, what is the meaning of influence? Influence means capacity of affecting something. So here I am going to talk about at how much capacity technology will going to affect our future, which is going to involve our lives, other lives on earth, and maybe it's like earth itself. Now here I am going to talk about future possibilities which may happen in future because of technologies, and let's start with the very first and very important point, which is on education. So how technology going to affect the future in education? A considerable number of the global population does not have access to a quality education. With the help of the internet, anyone on this planet can have access or to not only but basic education but an advanced level of education. Reputed education institute have different countries are already recording lectures and publishing those materials on internet for everyone to watch and learn. And here I am going to quote it as education for all. So in the future, where we are going to attend our colleges and schools on internet, and we are going to get a knowledge on live internet. So at last I want to say about an education that education for all won't be a pipe dream anymore. Anyone can access any kind of knowledge online, and they do not have to pay massive amount of fees to get those knowledge. And on the second number of point, we are gonna have clean energy. As you know, excessive consumption of fossil fuel has led our planet to the catastrophic of consequences. However, technology is helping us dealing with these problems by developing clean energies. Development in the future of solar power technology has drastically reduced the cost of solar cells. Generation of electricity through the wind turbines has also gained a lot of momentum in recent years. So in the future, the technology can help us do away with the dependency on fossil fuel and embrace the clean and green environment of solutions. We are going to have a solution which is going to give an clean and very pure energies in the form of, as we required, electricity, power generation, and that kind of energies without wasting fossil fuel, which is we are getting from the soil, and by which we are affecting the fertilization of this soil. So in the future we are gonna have a technology, so we are going to stop hurting the earth, and we are going to convert energies from the solar, which is going to cost free. So in the future we are going to get a clean energies. So now on the third basis is the flying cars. This sounds straight out of a movie, but flying cars might be sooner mainstream. Amazon has already started developing a goods with the help of its drone fleet, and Google is working on building its own powerful drones, which is going to save Earth surface, pailing from damaging and making it more fertilized. So this is what about flying cars. Maybe this technology will available in future, but right now there is some companies are still working on it. So now after that we are going to have a medical science, which is going to affect more and more on future with new technology. Medicine of the future will be completely preventive, not curative. How? Well, technology will soon be able to predict exactly what will become ill or even die from. Whilst there may be something we would rather know that, at least if we are aware of it, we can stop it from happening. So human will be somewhat immortal, a superpower we never thought to be truly possible. But through the medical science, it may be possible in the future that we are going to have AI technology by which is going to predict the disease and which is going to stop it. So these are the all positive empowerment of a technology. So with technological involvement, where there may be a negative side of these technologies. Now let's talk about the negative side of the technology. And yes, with negative side, I am gonna go with an unemployment on the earth. So at last I am going to quote it as a technological unemployment. There is a growing concern that robot will replace human intelligence, and as a result we will lose our jobs. It's a fact we can deny, commonly referred to as a technological unemployment. Technology is though to be removing from jobs than it creates indeed, whilst humans are still indeed to create the software and initiate the process that drives robots. This will soon be task of the past. AI system will no doubt be able to operate by themselves. As a result of this developing technologies, the World Economic Forum has estimated that as many as 5 million jobs will going to be lost. But as evolving technology, there may be another jobs will be created for the people. So there may be chances they are going to get another jobs, but they have to change their skill of SAT. Thank you watching this video.